are aware of the importance of today as it is observed as World Diabetic Day. World Diabetes Day provides an opportunities to raise awareness of diabetes as a global public health issue and what needs to be done collectively and individually for better prevention, diagnosis and management of the conditions. On World Diabetes Day, awareness is spread about imbibing a healthy lifestyle, human rights of people with diabetes, relations of diabetes to obesity and issues relating to diabetes in children and adolescents. Spread of diabetes among the vulnerable and disadvantaged sections of the community are also taken into preview. The theme for World Diabetes Day from 2021 to 23 is Access to Diabetes Care. After 100 years since the discovery of insulin, access to diabetes care continues to be a challenge in many countries. This year's World Diabetes Day is an opportunity to highlight the urgent need to increase access for diabetes diagnosis and treatment in order to prevent complications and improve the quality of life of people living with diabetes. The purpose of marking this day as the World Diabetes Day is to educate people on how diabetes impacts the lives of people, to organize funding for research, to garner public support for legislation issues, teaching and training people on how to tackle this challenging disease, and how you can live well and chase your dreams even being a diabetic. In the current scenario of COVID-19, many patients have been cut off from the access to diabetic treatment and monitoring. Let's use this Diabetes Day to make sure every diabetic patient around us has access to diabetic treatment, and if not, make them access to the treatment regimen and build awareness among them about the treatment and lifestyle modification required to lead a healthy life. Thank you.